So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have a Sharp inverter AC and the remote of that AC looks like this and the remote of your AC is not working properly or the remote has got damaged and you are in emergency. If you want to use your AC from mobile, then today I am going to tell you how you can use AC from mobile very easily. So let's start the video. Before using AC from mobile, you should note that if you have a Mi Xiaomi Redmi phone, then only you can use AC from your mobile, that too without Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can use your AC offline at any time. So friends, first of all open the Play Store in your mobile. After opening Play Store, search for Jaja Remote. Install Jaja Remote. Jaja Remote is installed. Now agree to all the terms and conditions of Jaja Remote. After that go to Go Now. After that the main page of Jaja Remote app will open. In the main page you go to the AC symbol. Now make sure you turn on the main supply of your AC. And now find Sharp. Now go to Sharp and now how to use the AC remote. Use your mobile in the same way. And now you can see in the mobile screen, matching S1 to 27. Now you can see red colored power button in the mobile. Now press this power button. If your AC is making beeping sound after pressing the power button, it worked, you have to touch it. And if your AC is not making beep sound, then you have to do next. After that the second remote will come. If your AC is not connecting, then continue this process by doing next. And you have to keep doing next until your AC is making beeping sound. Now my AC is making beep sound in the first time, so now I will touch, it worked. After that your remote will be completely created. I hope you have understood the information given by me. Then please like my video.